Hello viewers, this is How Too Fast here. Now earlier today my son was driving this Hyundai Elantra and noticed the check engine light came on. He said the car was running really rough and it didn't have a lot of power when he was pressing on the gas. He also noticed the check engine light was coming on and off randomly. So in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to diagnose the problem. So let's get started. So let's start the vehicle and see if we still have a check engine light.
Entering normal driving mode.
As you can see, the check engine light is still on, and I can tell you the engine is running really rough right now. And here's a look at the engine. It's shaking quite a bit and it sounds very rough. So let's connect an OBD scan tool to the vehicle and find out what the fault code is. Here I have my Autel MaxiCOM scan tool. This one is a Bluetooth version. So I'll plug this wireless Bluetooth module into the OBD port on the vehicle. Now I'll use this tool to scan for the VIN. Found the VIN number. Okay. USA. Found the vehicle. Auto scan. Now right away the engine shows a fault of 1. Now to scan through all the other modules. So everything passed except for the fault code on the engine. Let's take a look and see what the fault code is. Read codes. Here it tells you the code is P0304 and the cylinder 4 misfire is detected. So right now I suspect it's either a bad ignition coil on cylinder 4 or maybe it's a bad spark plug. So let's go take a look. I'll go ahead and turn off the engine. First thing I'll do is remove the engine cover you see right here. Now this Hyundai Elantra has a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine and the cylinder number is 1234. So with the fault code it's saying the misfire is on the cylinder 4 right here. To rule out whether it's ignition coil or not, we can swap the ignition coil of number 3 with number 4. So I'm going to remove the cylinder 3 ignition coil and the cylinder 4 ignition coil and then swap it. If the problem follows ignition coil, then we know the ignition coil is bad. You'll need to disconnect the connector connecting to the ignition coil. And there is a gray plastic tab you need to release. Do the same thing for the other ignition coil. Now remove the 10mm bolt holding down the ignition coil. Right here is the cylinder 4 ignition coil. This one here is number 3. Now I'm going to place this one into cylinder number 4. And right here is the one that came out of cylinder 4. Now I'll put into number 3. So now let's go start the car up.
Entering normal driving mode.
It's still running rough and the check engine light is still on. Now let's go into the scan tool and see what the fault code is. Auto scan. Still showing fault code for engine. Let's take a look. Read the codes. Now it still says P0304, cylinder 4 misfire detected. So the problem did not follow the ignition coil. Next, let's check the spark plug. So now I'm going to remove the ignition coil on cylinder number 4. Remove the ignition coil. Now I'm going to remove the spark plug. Now looking at it, it looks okay, but if you follow my channel, I recently changed the spark plug on this vehicle. These are brand new. It's only been about a month since I replaced it with new spark plugs. I still have the old one. Here's a look at the old one. Here's a side-by-side look of the new one on the right and the old one on the left. The only thing I see that's different is this metal conductor right here is pushed in more compared to the old one. This one is more angled out and this one is more in. Now it's possible that the spark plug itself is also faulty. As a quick test, what I'll do is I'll put in the old one and see if the misfire goes away. Now install the old spark plug back in. Okay, let's start the car up.
Entering normal driving mode.
Now even though the check engine light is still on, I can tell you the engine is very smooth now. It's not running rough at all. Now the fault code is still stored in the vehicle. That's why the check engine light is still on. So what I need to do now is clear the fault code and then see if the fault code come back. Now select the fault code. If I read the code, it'll still say P0304, cylinder 4 misfire detected. I'm going to do an erase for this code. Erase codes. Ignition on, engine off. Right now the engine is off and the ignition is on. Okay. Yes. Yes. Here tells you the code has been erased. Okay. As you can see, the engine now says pass, no faults. Start up the engine. So far so good. What you really want to do is drive the vehicle around, make sure the fault code does not come back. And again, the engine right now is running very smooth, not like earlier. So I'm pretty certain the problem was a bad spark plug that I installed about a month ago. So if you ever run into this problem on your vehicle, this is a quick way of diagnosing whether it's an ignition coil problem or a spark plug problem. Tomorrow I'll go pick up a new spark plug and replace it. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.